I think this happens with every learner because English is not our mother tongue, right? So I think this is happens. But when you are learn when you are practicing, so maybe you are familiar with this English because it happens with me when I started learning this language. So definitely I speak a little bit. I think more. So I familiar with these new words and sentences, and maybe I make grammatical mistakes, but I work on it. Yes. So hi there, welcome back to my another video. This is day 3 of my 30 days spoken English challenge. And thank you so much for your love, support and encouragement. Your comments motivate me to continue this challenge. So thank you so much and I really appreciate it. So my dear friend, if you are new here, so let me tell you, my name is Anujakta and I am improving my English by speaking daily on camera. So yes, so right now I am writing some new words and whatever I learn, I just write it down. So and I try to use it in my daily English and so that I can remember it easily, right? So these are the words what I learned it. Okay, and so let me tell you about two words. Okay, so the first is honing, 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 and it means improving your skills by practicing. Okay, for example, I'm honing my English speaking skills. Okay, so the another one is hunt, Hunt, hunt. It means you find something, actively search. For example, I'm hunting my mobile. I am hunting my key, like this. You can also use these words and try to make your own sentences in the comment box. Okay? Let me tell you one thing that when I thought I would describe some more about what I did, so I was totally blank, really. I have no words that time. I think this happens with every learner because English is not our mother tongue, right? So I think this is happens. But when you are learn when you are practicing, so maybe you are familiar with this English because it happens with me when I started learning this language. So definitely I speak a little bit. I think more. So I familiar with these new words and sentences, and maybe I make grammatical mistakes, but I work on it. Yes. So you also try to learn 3 to 5 new words and make sentences because it's very helpful for you because it's helped me a lot. So you can also use these type of technique because it's really help a lot. I'm learning English step by step and practice every day. So thank you so much for supporting me in my journey. So see you in the next video, and tomorrow is day 4 of my 30 days spoken English challenge. So see you in the next video. So till then, keep learning, keep smiling, keep practicing. Thank you so much.